I got these glass ornaments from Michael's, and then I have Polyacrylic by Minwax. I have this syringe here to draw the polyacrylic and into my ornament. I also have a few cups that I have laying around, and I have some glitter here from Amazon. We can take off the tops just by squeezing it a little bit and just jiggling it out, and then you can just squeeze the wire part. So I'm just going to take my syringe here, draw up 3 mils of the polyacrylic, and then we're going to put it inside the ornament. So now we're just going to move slowly the polyacrylic around, starting from obviously the bottom from where it fell, and then we're just going to go around until we get to the opening again. So we just want to make sure that every part of the ornament is saturated and that we don't miss a spot. Once I know that the polyacrylic has covered the entire ornament, I just turn it upside down and just let it drip for a couple minutes there. Then we can work on our next one. So once I see that it's not dripping a lot anymore, I just go ahead and go straight to the glitter. I'm going to use white glitter. This will be for the stormtrooper. So I kind of put a decent amount in. That should be good right there. And if it's not enough, we can always add some more. So I give it a little shake, make sure it's covering every single part of the ornament. And then what I'm going to do is just going to take my hand and then I'm just going to go ahead and shake it. Okay, and then I'm just going to dump the excess glitter into the cup. I found these pictures online to cut them out on permanent vinyl. I will be using Oracal's 651, so we're just going to go ahead and click make it. We're going to take our transfer sheets to put on top of our vinyl.